Alright guys, welcome to Amazon Loves Me, and what we're looking at is an oscillating fan, a ceramic tower space heater for the home. It's really cold out here in California, and this particular heater is 1500 watts. Right now it's on sale for $49.99. Listed price is $74.99. So it is in Amazon Prime. You can get it, I'm sure, within a day or so. Now, it has two different settings, a high heat and a low heat setting. It looks like there is an adjustable thermostat and a small digital display. It does come fully assembled with a 6-foot cord, and it's probably good for a small-sized or medium-sized room. It does have an overheat protection. Just in case you leave it on, it will eventually turn itself off. Now, these are some other comparable heaters in the space, but as you can see, this one is slightly more branded. And for the price point at $49, Amazon loves me.